Looking to automatically interlink your website? LinkBoss Bulk 2.0 is the only tool that gets it right. Let's see how it's done. If you haven't already, sign up for a free LinkBoss account and connect your site. Now navigate to Tools Dashboard and select Bulk 2.0. Next, click on the New Bulk button. If you're using this tool for the very first time, we highly recommend taking a quick backup of your site first, just in case. Here is the main interface. From here, you'll need to provide the list of URLs you want to interlink, and you have 3 ways to do it. If your posts are categorized, hit Fetch, then Add to bring them right in. Or, if you want to focus on contents with 0 incoming internal links, you can choose to import only the orphans. You can also just directly paste your URL list if you already have them ready to go. You can also import from CSV file or a JSON file. Let's build some automated interlink. First, add the URLs, then click Submit. Next, you can set your minimum semantic similarity score. Generally, higher similarity means more relevant links, but if you aren't seeing enough suggestions, you'll want to lower this requirement. We usually recommend keeping it somewhere between 50% and 70%. You can also set the max incoming and outgoing interlink per page. You also have the option to allow or disallow reciprocal links. Basically, that's when page A links to page B and page B links back to page A. Now, click on the Suggest Links button, and LinkBoss will pull up all the relevant internal linking options it found. Just to clarify, the source page is where the interlink will be placed, and the target page is where that interlink will take your readers. Now, click on Insertion Settings. This is a really powerful and unique feature. LinkBoss actually gives you 3 different ways to place your internal links. The first method uses your existing sentences. The second method rephrases an existing sentence to create proper anchor text. And if the context is totally missing, the third method generates 2 or 3 completely new sentences to create proper context for the link. Based on how you set this threshold score, LinkBoss will automatically decide which insertion method to use. You can go with one of the quick presets here, or manually adjust the similarity threshold for each step yourself. Now, if you'd rather stick to just one specific type of link insertion method, just jump over to the Single Module tab and pick your favorite. It's perfect for when you want strict control over your strategy, like if you only want to interlink using existing sentences. Now, let me show you how this pipeline workflow actually works. First, it will try to interlink using your existing sentences, if the threshold is met. If it can't find a perfect match, the AI will try rephrasing one sentence to naturally fit the anchor text. And if that still doesn't work, LinkBoss AI will generate 2 to 3 new sentences to create the perfect context for your link. And if all 3 methods fail to find the relevant match, it won't force an unnatural interlink. It will simply skip the page. Okay, after you are done with the insertion settings, you can either check and select only the link suggestions you want, or just select all of them. Then click on Create Links button and hit Submit. Now, LinkBoss will automatically process the internal links in the background based on your preferences. Give it a brief moment, then click Refresh. Once the page reloads, you will see a detailed status report showing the specific anchor text applied and some other data. You can also see what link insertion method was used. Click on the eye icon to see exactly where the links were placed. If you want to undo a link, just click the delete icon. LinkBoss will remove the link and revert the page back to how it was before. You can also bulk retry the failed links or bulk undo the placed links. After clicking bulk revert and confirming it, just give it a few moments. LinkBoss will undo all of those placed links in bulk and restore every page back to its previous state. So that's the whole process. A good best practice is to test the waters with 10 or 20 URLs first to find your ideal settings. Once you nail down your perfect config, you're ready to start bulk interlinking your entire site. Thank you for watching. If you know anyone else who would benefit from this tool, please share this video with them. Until next time, happy linking.